Hey everybody, my name is Greg Dineo and I am John Morrow's cohort. Today I want to show you how easy it is to set up an Unpop box and start building your email list without being evil. Now what you're looking at here is a standard WordPress dashboard. And what you'll notice is after you install the Unpop plugin, you're going to see two options that weren't there before. You're going to see Unpop boxes and Unpop settings. Now the first thing you want to do is go to the Unpop settings option and choose the email service that you use. So we actually at the moment integrate with Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, and Office Autopilot. Now right now I actually set up a MailChimp list and a MailChimp account, so I am going to click the MailChimp option. Now what you want to do here is get your API key. Now the API key is simply a code that is provided to you by your email service provider. You don't have to write it or anything like that. But what it does is it allows Unpop to play nicely with your email service provider. So I'm simply going to click here to get the code, and I'm going to copy the code right here. Copy. I'll go back to the Unpop dashboard and I'll paste it right in there, just like that, and I'll click Save Changes. Now if you do this correctly, it should say success. We were able to verify your MailChimp API account. Now this means that Unpop and my email service provider MailChimp are integrated and are playing nicely together. Now we want to set up the Unpop box. So I'm going to go to Unpop boxes and I'm going to click Add New. And I'm just going to label this one Greg's box. Nobody's actually going to see the label of the box up here. The first thing that they're actually going to see is the title of the box. So what you want to do is come up with a cool title that entices people and grabs their attention. So for us, our title is going to be How to Get Your First 1,000 Subscribers in 60 Days. It's kind of enticing. And our text below that, which is our little bit of paragraph text that we're going to use to kind of elaborate on the title, is going to be something like Need subscribers? No problem. Enter your email address below and we'll show you how to get them. Something like that, something very simple and easy. You're going to want to play around with your text and your headline so that way you maximize the amount of opt-ins that come when people come to your site. So next thing you want to do is determine where you want to place it. You can actually just place it on the home page of your blog like this and eliminate everything else, or if you just want to have it on all the posts when somebody comes to a post, or if you have pages within the blog, just the pages, so on and so forth. Or like me, if you want to put it on the entire site, which is what I highly recommend, especially if you're new to this, is just click entire site. Now you want to time it. When do you want people to see it, and who should see it? So I'm going to have everybody say it, and I'm going to have everyone say it again. So I won't mess around with these first two options up here. So how many times should a reader visit the pages before the box is seen for the first time? And I want it to be every time, so I'm just going to click 0 in here. And how many seconds should after the page loads should the box delay before appearing? And again, I want it to come up immediately after the page loads. If you want to wait a couple seconds, then you would just click here and go 5 or something like that. But I want it to come up immediately. How many times should the box be displayed again in the future? And I'm going to just leave this one blank because I want it to come up every time it shows again in the future. And then in what way should time be measured? I'm going to keep it at pages, and how many pages above should pass before displaying again, and I'm going to keep that blank as well. We don't need to set that up right now. These are for some other cool features that Unpop does. So now we're just going to go to the notification box opt-in here. And these first two areas, again, we're just going to keep blank because these are for some other cool features, not really going to help you build your email list at the moment. So what we want to focus in on is opt-in function, and we're going to click email service. Button text, we're going to leave blank. Button link URL, we're going to leave blank. And then email service, I'm going to choose MailChimp. And then email list, I actually set up a list called Unpop. And now, what do I want to show on the box? And I just want to show email addresses, so I'm just going to uncheck these. And then I go all the way up top here, and I click enable because I want the box to be enabled. Then I click publish. And you're done. And actually I'm going to show you right now what you just created. Here it is, right below, right here on the lower right hand side here, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers in 60 days. And then we have need subscribers, no problem. This is it. Then people now can just enter their email address and so on and so forth, and then click go, and they will be now opted into your list. I told you it was very easy to sign up and to set up an Unpop box, and it's out of the way, however, it still draws attention to your readers. So that's all I have for you today, and until next time, I have a great day. Take care.